hacked my bank last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be hard as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much. I miss my couch. It's lonely out this far. On such a timeless. I just go so drive. Okay. Comes the chorus. Get ready. See my positive. And I think it's gonna be a long night. Touchdown, baby. I'm not the man that got the Lambo. I'm a pizza man. Kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's hot as hell here. That onions at like 4 degrees. And there's no one there to raise them, especially not the pepperonis that are not raise a kid. And all this pizza cutting science, I don't understand. It's just my job, 5 days a week. A pizza man. A pizza man. Subscribe or I will kick you in the balls so hard that I can't even describe it. I can't even think of a metaphor or a simile to describe it. It will hurt like freaking hell. So subscribe right now!